We have been walking for so long. Can we please rest a little bit?
We are in an open field. Such an exposed area is not safe for camping.
Easy for you to say that. You don't even need to rest.
Echnalam does require rest to maintain her functionality. A rest is necessary for cooling down, energy preservation, self-maintenance, rebooting system, and recharging.
I really did not understand anything you just said.
Exactly. More walking, less talking.
But, but, my stump really hurts.
Your suggestion is
Up?
you did all that so Echnalam carries you. Don't get used to it. Echnalam is not means of transportation.
Yup.